Welcome back to the channel where health meets. What makes us sneeze? An animated germ word for kids. Achoo! Do you ever wonder what happens when you sneeze? Well, first, you might feel something tickle inside your nose, like a little itch or an irritating sensation. And if you're a kid, you might sneeze a few times and say, "Bless you" to yourself. But why do we sneeze in the first place? Let's find out with Captain Sniffles and the Booger Battalion. Step inside a human nose with Captain Sniffles and his elite team of germ-fighting cells, the Booger Battalion. They keep the inside of your nose moist and clean so that you can breathe, smell, and look super cute. That is until a gang of nasty dust bunnies invades our nasal passage. These little guys are made of lint and pet dander. They have sharp edges and they're here to cause some serious irritation. Can the Booger Battalion save the day? Only one way to find out. Let's get to it. Our story begins deep inside a nose hair. A wee little dust bunny sneezes. How rude! His dust buddies laugh and high-five each other. This group of villains is causing trouble for the human they're living in. You see, their sneezes are making the person cough a lot, which sends the dust bunnies bouncing all over the place. And none of them seem to remember to cover their mouth when they do it. How unchivalrous! The dust bunnies land on a friendly face cell. One of the members of the Bogey Battalion, and he's not having it. He tells the dust bunnies to get off his nose hairs right away, but they refuse. So he calls for backup. Soon, the entire Bogey Battalion is there to defend their home turf. Now, normally the Booger Battalion hangs out in the nose hairs, keeping things moist and cozy. The nose hairs are actually modified skin cells that have turned into mucus-making factories. And the mucus traps incoming invaders like dust bunnies so the Booger Battalion can fight back. But the dust bunnies are too slippery. The battalion slides off their backs and they need another strategy. A brave white blood cell takes action. He charges toward the dust bunnies and slams into the first one. He does the same thing to the second and third dust bunny, sending all of them flying. That was sneaky, but it worked. Now the Booger Battalion can breathe a little easier. But wait, there's more. A new batch of dust bunnies is floating down the nasal passage, led by a large dust bunny with bushy sideburns. Get out of our way. Little cells, we're gonna make this person sneeze and you can't stop us. Oh, those sideburns look familiar. Hey, isn't that Dust Bunny Big Cheese from the last episode? That's him. He looks different. Turns out, Dust Bunny Big Cheese has been training for this moment his whole life. He learned to fight the Booger Battalion from watching the previous Dust Bunnies fail again and again. Will the Booger Battalion be able to stop Dust Bunny Big Cheese and his army? And most importantly, why do we sneeze? Keep watching to find out. Dust Bunny Big Cheese and his army slide past the Booger Battalion. Again, the cells try to trap them with their sticky mucus, but these dust bunnies are too slick. They slide and twist, escaping the grasp of the battalion. Then Big Cheese shouts, "Now's our chance." His army makes a run for the exit, but they're tired from the long journey through the nasal passage. Maybe if they could just rest for a second, they'd be able to make it out. And just as they're about to escape, the battalion makes their move. A line of cells forms and starts to shake. And wiggle. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Chant the cells as they perform the Booger Battalion's secret weapon. The sneeze. Achoo! The force of the sneeze catches the dust bunnies off guard and blasts them out of the nose. Big Cheese and his army never stood a chance. The dust bunnies tumble end over end and crash into a waiting mouth. With no humans to annoy this time, the Booger Battalion returns to their post. They settle in for a long shift of making mucus and keeping things moist. It's not the most exciting work, but someone's got to do it. And now we know why we sneeze. When foreign invaders slide past the Booger Battalion and reach the end of your nasal passage, your brain gets the message and sends signals to your body. Your throat closes off so that the dust and germs can't enter your mouth. Then air rushes into your nose, pushing the unwanted particles toward the exit. Finally, your body expels the invaders through your nostrils, and that's what makes us sneeze. It may not be the most glamorous job, but the Booger Battalion is always there to protect you from harm. And now you know that even the littlest cells can help keep you healthy. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about the immune system, check out the immune system playlist in the description below. Well, hello there. It's me. If you like this video, hit the like button and let us know what you thought in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time we upload a brand new adventure. We've got all kinds of fun science interactives on our website, so click on the link in the description below to get started. You can separate mixtures by color, play with magnets, and learn about circuits and electricity. And don't miss our new Mystery Science digital adventures where you can be the scientist and make decisions that affect the outcome of the experiment. You can even share your results with other budding scientists. Thanks for watching. See you next time.